desert formation. Now, how these deserts developed in any geography? There are three types of deserts. Desert formation. So, desert is very important geographical area which is represented in two ways. Number one is climatically, when the rainfall is less than 25 centimeter, we call it is a dry area or desert areas. That is permanent. And second is vegetationally, when the area has a scarce or no vegetation, then also we can define area as a desert. Now we look at climatical deserts. There are three types of deserts in terms of temperature. Is number is one is called hot desert or tropical desert, where the even in the summer and the winters temperature does not cross above 18 degree. Even the coldest month average temperature is 18. Such type of deserts we call as hot deserts or tropical deserts. If the temperature falls below 0 degree Celsius in the deserts permanently, then it becomes the cold desert. But in the old geographical notion, we generally define two types of deserts. Above 18 we call tropical, and below 18 degrees Celsius in the coldest one we call as the cold desert and hot deserts. Now, how these deserts developed in any geography? There are only four ways deserts have been developed. Number one is the called as subtropical high pressure cells, which is at 30 degree called subtropical high pressure zones, and at the polar highs at 90 degree. So, and because of these subtropical high pressure zones and polar highs, there is a sinking of air, there is an anticyclonic condition permanently, atmosphere remains stable, no rain is possible because the method by which the rain occurs all get restricted. There are three ways the moisture rises upward. One is convectional rise, second is the orographic rise, and third is cyclonic rise. Here in a permanent high pressure zones of 30 degree and 90 degree, there is a situation that all the three processes are blocked. So, there is a permanent dryness. That is what you have their deserts. For example, at the 30 degree around Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, we have hot desert like Sahara Desert of Africa, Thar Desert of India, Pakistan, Atacama Desert of Chile, or the deserts of America like Sonoran, Mojave, or Mexican deserts are also there, or in the deserts of Australia in Tropic of Capricorn, or the Kalahari Desert of Africa. So, all these deserts are around 30 degrees. All are hot desert. Reason is presence of subtropical high pressure cells here. Even Antarctica is a desert. Why we call Antarctica as a desert? Because of the presence of polar highs permanently in this geography. Now, second important factor for desert formation is the presence of cold oceanic currents. Now, cold oceanic currents in the tropical geography is found around 15 degree to 30 degree on the western margins, and because in this western margins in this latitude zone, this is permanent offshore trade winds are moving from land to sea. Once the wind is offshore permanently, so it will produce the upwelling cold current, and it's because of upwelling cold current, air also become colder, and colder air is denser and maintains again a permanent anticyclonic condition and high pressure zone, that resulting into offshore winds and the no convectional rise, no orographic upliftment, no cyclonic rain is possible, and that is what we have. Coastal areas on the western margin 15 to 30 degree, hot deserts get developed. Examples like Californian coast have Californian deserts like Santa Ana and the Bajada, California of Mexico, or the deserts are there in the South America, Peru, Chile coast called as Atacama Desert, or Namib Desert of Namibia, Angola due to Benguela current. West Australia is also a desert called West Australian Desert, or Western Sahara is a desert because of Canary current. Third factor for desert formation is the continental effect. Now, in the large continents like Asia, what happened, the moisture is not able to reach in the interiors, and because of this continental effect, the area become what? Desert. For example, is the Central Asian deserts like Karakum, Kizilkum, or the deserts of Mongolia called, or North China called Gobi Desert, or Siberian Desert of Russia. Here is the effect of land much. So there is no other continent which has desert produced by continental effect. It has semi-arid areas, not a typical desert where rainfall is less than 25 centimeter. And fourth and the last factor for desert formation is the rain shadow effect. So what is rain shadow? In case of intermountain areas, the areas become rain shadow from all the areas of the wind which carries the moisture unable to reach there, and whatever the winds goes there, it is a descent only, no ascent of the air has been there. And in the rain shadow areas, what happened? What it become leeward slopes of mountains. So such geographies become rain deficient permanently. The reason is these features are permanent, so the leeward slopes also remain permanent, and the leeward slopes maintain a permanent rain shadow areas. For example, the Ladakh of India, that is a desert. Why? It is located between Ladakh ranges in the north and Jaskar ranges in the south. Intermountain desert it become. It's a cold, but it is intermountain. It's produced by rain shadow effect. Second is Taklamakan Desert of China. It is also between the Kunlun Mountains and Tinshan Mountains ranges of China. So it is also a desert. Even deserts in the western part of America is existing because the areas are between Rockies mountains. So like Arizona, Utah, Colorado, Colombia, these are desertic because they lies in the intermountain area rain shadows of the Rockies mountain. And last example, if you look at the South American point of view, like Andes become a rain shadow to the Patagonia region of Argentina. So Patagonia region of Argentina becomes semi-arid geographies also. Thank you all of you.